You have a nice balcony, table, Our room is 429. Do you usually take it up?
Yeah, I usually take it up. You want me to follow you up?
I wanted to open the freaking door.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I was knocking on the door like a trillion times.
What the hell happened to my keys? This is the original, the oldest house in Palm Springs. Juliana is stuck on the first floor. Juliana! I'm gonna go get some more beers, man. This is the beer room.
There's literally a minute left, God.
All right, let's do it.
30 seconds.
That's our second room up there. Beautiful view. You have a nice balcony, table, 2 chairs. There's the hotel. They're gonna bring us towels because they didn't have any towels. I know it's cold, but what the heck? Oh, there's people here. Hello, people. Hey, how are you? Hey. Is it warm? It's good, huh? It's very nice, you know, if you see us in the daytime. Very nice pool area. Let's go. No, we don't have to walk through the thing. But sometimes that door's locked. Please tell me it's not locked.
It's locked. Oh my God, it's locked.
Oh, thank you. That's the side elevator. Let's go. You know, it's funny how they're not playing any music. They're just waiting for like midnight or something. You're pretty high up. Our room is 429. For Lucy?
Let me check.
Oh, is it
Yep,
Mark?
yep,
Mark
yep,
on
yep,
Lucy.
yep.
Excellent.
Awesome. I appreciate you meeting me down here.
How many bags? How many boxes?
It's 4 boxes right now.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Do you usually take it up?
Yeah, I usually take it up. You want me to follow you up?
Yeah, you could. There's an elevator here. It's easier. This is Mr. Pizza
that's
guy.
sick.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, that's awesome.
You press it 3 times, and he goes the other way.
No way. That's really good quality too. All
Thank
right,
you.
guys have a
Thank
good
you very
Happy
much,
New
sir.
Year. Oh,
Thank
you
you
so much.
Happy New Year. Thank you. Juliana is stuck on the first floor. Let's go bring her out. Huh. Hi, honey. You got stuck? Have a wonderful evening, guys.
You as well.
Thank you.
Yes, I got stuck. Because no one wanted to open the freaking door.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I was knocking on the door like a trillion times and no one was answering.
Which door?
The 429.
Oh, it's very
This
nice.
is a joke.
Hoagies.
This is
So why don't you go to 5th? Oh, this is 5th.
I came from Fifth.
What the hell happened to my keys? No. Shit. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, I was knocking on frickin' the next door. What do we got here? Christina, they have pizza upstairs.
How you guys feeling tonight? You guys going
Juliana, Here we are at 11 o'clock in Palm Springs on December 31st, 2023. And we have two amazing rooms facing the fireworks at midnight. I don't think anything is open right now.
Hurry the frick up! My God! Y'all walk slow.
I got a 4. Oh my god.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let me see your lollipop.
Why do you like me? I have it.
Let me see. This is a place, man. Next New Year's Eve, this is a place. This is what's called the end of the road. Wait, wait.
Oh, I think
There was 3 places we passed that were really good, huh?
Yeah.
First it says wait, then it says machine gun. This is the original, the oldest house in Palm Springs. We're almost 2024, guys. It's 11:25. So in 35 minutes, it'll be the end of 2023. Which, believe it or not, has been a great year. 2023 has been a great year for all of us. We're blessed. We're healthy. We have a home. We have cars. There's Marilyn Monroe over there somewhere. So 2024 is going to be an amazing year, I think. I feel it. I'm going to go get some more beers, man. There's the beer run. I think I have like 3 or 4 left. Gotta go down. I never know where the hell this camera's pointing. It's 25 minutes before midnight. Time for one more beer. It's my last 2 beers, man. Here they are. There's one. There's Marty, and there's Lackey.
There's literally a minute left, God.
No, there isn't, is there? All right, let's do it.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Yeah! Look over there, they're all shooting fireworks. All right, my God. Wow, that's pretty, man. That's pretty. The fireworks still going on. Never seen a fireworks show like this in my life. I mean, never. I don't care what you say. Wow. Yes! That's epic.
That was a 15-minute long.
No, that's not just that. It was epic. It was epic, really.
That was lit. That was dope.
That was dope, man. That was friggin'
That was
sick.
That was sick.
I have never ever seen a fireworks show like that in my life, right?
Yeah.